Welcome to 15 Roszel Road in West Windsor with a Princeton address. This is a great commercial building that is for sale. It is very unique for either an owner-occupant or an investor. We're going to take you on a tour of some highlights. Part of it's already rented, so you're going to move in with income. The other most unique part about this, it's a warehouse space. It's a very unique space in West Windsor that a commercial building like this has a dedicated warehouse. Let's check it out. Like I said, one of the most interesting things about 15 Roszel Road in West Windsor is not the proximity to the train station, even though it's right over there. It's not the proximity to Princeton or Route 1, which is literally right over there. It's this warehouse space. Very rare in the commercial real estate space in West Windsor to have a dedicated warehouse in your building. Definitely want to check this one out.